How to log in with Discord token. Open up your web browser and type in discord.com in the address bar. Hit enter to go to Discord's website. Once you're on Discord's website, press the F12 key on your keyboard. This will bring up a bunch of technical stuff, but don't worry, we'll only focus on what we need. In the top menu of the Developer Tools window, look for a tab labeled Application and click on it. Within the Application tab, you'll see a bunch of categories listed on the left side. Find and click on Local Storage. This is where Discord keeps some important stuff stored locally on your computer. In the Local Storage section, you'll see a list of websites. Look for discord.com in that list and click on it. Now, we need to add something called a key. In the table that appears, look for a blank space in the key column. Click on it to select it. Once you've clicked on the blank space, type in token with the quotes as the key. This tells Discord we're adding our token. Now, move over to the value column next to the key you just added. Click on the empty space there. This is where we'll paste our token. Paste your Discord token into the space next to the token key. Make sure it's surrounded by quotes. After pasting, hit enter on your keyboard to save it. Finally, press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. And there you have it. Logging in with a Discord token is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful and helpful videos. Thank you for tuning into HowToMastery. Until next time, happy learning.